Control number 41594, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Daisy P. Aljo, 46 years of age, single. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm fourth in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a college level, taking up Bachelor of Science in Education at San Enrique Polytechnic College.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to support the medication of my niece who's suffering depression, and I want to experience working Hong Kong.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I've been before in Taiwan 12 years, 6 years caretaker, and 6 years factory worker.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
For elderly, giving food and medication.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
For babies, taking a bath, changing clothes and diapers, playing with them, and giving food.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can do cooking, sewing, and tutoring.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
For foreign dishes, I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetables. For Filipino foods, I can cook adobo and menudo. For Italian dishes, I can cook spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm honest and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I'm say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear sir, ma'am, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I want to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you and God bless.